Hi, I'm Fiona Crackles and I'm a GB and England professional hockey player, and I am gay, and this hasn't always been something, or definitely hasn't been something I've been so openly speaking about in such a direct forum, but I think it's really important and definitely something that aligns with my values is pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. So this is exactly what I'm doing now. I guess I've been really lucky to play hockey because it is such an inclusive and open environment to people expressing themselves and being comfortable in who they are and in their own skin. And any environment or team that I've been in has certainly facilitated that. And I know that not all sports and environments are as inclusive as that, so I feel very lucky. To be honest, I haven't really seen or heard of Lesbian Visibility Day before, maybe because I'm like everyone else are on their own journey about being true to yourself and fully expressing and being comfortable with my own sexuality. So maybe I haven't just engaged or consumed content or acknowledged this day before. People can criticize there kind of being a day for everything, and you know, why should we celebrate something like this? But I think to see all these amazing women and people being comfortable and embodying who they are, and showing up and being role models for girls and women of a younger generation is just so invaluable. And I think it's really important to show that being lesbian or gay doesn't look or sound in any particular way, and just showing up in this space. I think the main thing I'd say to my younger self would be something along the lines of just try every day to be a little bit more truer to yourself, and you'll work it out one day and it'll all be okay.